Good morning. We're headed to Parker this morning. We're doing a Walmart pickup. My glasses are fogging up. We're doing a Walmart pickup. Going to do a couple of other things and having lunch with Cheryl Pup Camper 58. And we're about to leave. Get the boy. Get the boy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Gracious, can we go with you guys?
Yep.
Okay.
We're going on a day trip. Hi, Bandit.
He says, see you, Mom.
Going on a day trip, Bandit.
Yay! I see him.
Okay, we just left the bank. Is it locked?
Yeah.
Oh. Hang on. Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Hey.
We're gonna walk over there to AutoZone. I'm gonna get me a filter, air filter for my truck. I've been needing one, so it's so convenient. So we'll just walk right over there. Now, I've never seen a cactus like that. Does it have any pokies? No?
It doesn't?
I don't think so. I'd have to take a picture of it and see what kind it is. It had flowers. Interesting. Just taking pictures of the cactus. Trying to identify them. I got a filter. Got my air filter for my truck. I've not been to Food City.
Do you want to go?
I've heard of food cities, haven't I? What happened?
Well, you know, I've not seen these kind of cactuses before. Cacti. So I'm collecting pods that dropped. And so I saw a pod and I went like this. And I didn't see that. So I'm going to need tweezers. I got all kinds of cactus things in my head.
And the cactus said,
It got me.
let me see.
See,
Oh,
look,
I see.
Yeah.
I think we need some tape.
I can't.
Can y'all see that? The needles are, let me get to the side. Yeah, you got a whole bunch of them sticking out of your head. I'm gonna have, what? What'd you do? And this is City Hall, Town Hall or something. You want me to get my pliers out? No, wait.
Well, do something.
Wait. Do something. I was doing something. I was putting up my... Alright. Oh, look. Here's some tweezers.
Okay.
Alright. I'll be back.
So, where do you need me?
Right there.
Okay. So,
Gosh.
Jana's plucking I can't even say it.
Cactus. Hairs.
Jana's plucking cactus out of my forehead. Ow. It got me good.
Can you see where that little red spot is?
Yeah, I can feel it. It's burning a little. This is why when you travel with me, you always leave early.
She's might run into a cactus.
You never know what I might do.
So I can go in the camper and get some tape, but I have a Band-Aid on me.
So she's gonna pull the stickers out that she can't get with tweezers with the tape. Ah! Ah! Oh! No! Ow!
All of them.
So she thinks she got the rest of them. Can y'all see those on there? That's what was left in my forehead. Let me see if I can focus a little better.
Focus.
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 Okay. I use pliers, not pliers.
Tweezers.
Tweezers and a Band-Aid I had in my pocket to put it on there and pull, and it pulled all the needles out. All right, let's go to lunch now. Silly.
No more cactus for you.
No more cactus for you, huh, Bando? What is that cheese you like?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Holy moly. We might be
An
here a while.
enchilada.
Yeah. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Now we're going to the post office, or we're at the post office. Deborah's gonna mail a package to Mike and Cindy. Well, I guess Cindy, it's her birthday coming up. So we're stopping here before we head out of town. It's unlocked. Here comes Bandit.
Hi, Bando.
I've seen your forehead twice today.